Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send automated emails in Shopify. This is a free way, so you don't have to pay for anything, and probably you want to send an email automatically to your customers when they click or purchase, or when their order is in transit, or when their order is delivered, and more. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in a few seconds. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to click, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. Now I'm going to use this Shopify, as you can see, this Shopify store just for this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now in the top you want to search for this app. It's called Track 718, as you can see. Click enter, and this app is free, so there is no like free plan or premium plan or paid plan. This app is 100% free and it's working. Okay, so just search for it because it's not popular yet. As you can see, the name of the app is Track 718 order track and email. Make sure it has the exact same logo. Now you want to click on install, and you want to click again on install. Now next step, this is an easy app, like there is not like no code required or anything like that. Now I'm going to show you how this works in a few seconds. Just wait for it. Okay, this is the app, as you can see. Now make sure you toggle this on. As you can see, this is my Shopify store. I named it test. Make sure you toggle on this. Okay, so what you guys need to do now, you want to click on mail service. Okay, now I'm going to check. I'm going to show you guys all how you can use this app, like the features of this app. So as you can see, there is like store management, there is plugin description. If you want to add a tracking page to your Shopify, there is like order management, as you can see here, store management. There are a lot of things that you can do on this app, as you can see. Also, there is like tracking orders, as you can see here. There is like history track. Now for today's video, we just want to learn how we can send automated emails. Okay, now you just need to click on mail service and you want to click on email settings. Now as you can see here, guys, as you can see, first order. So when someone purchases an order, they will receive this email. I'm going to show you the email. If you click on preview, you will see the email here. Thank you so much for placing your order on Shopify. Your order number is blah blah blah, and the product name is blah blah blah. Glad to tell you that your package has been shipped by carrier, and the tracking number is here. And also this app offers also the track your order page where customer can track your order. Now if you don't want anything here, for example, if you don't want your customer to receive an email stating that the package is not delivered yet, you can just toggle this off, as you can see here. And you can also add the different template here in the top right. Now offline, as you can see, in transit, like they will receive an email. You can also edit the template if you want. If you click on edit template, you can edit this text if you want. As you can see, arrives destination. You can also edit this. You can also edit the role settings. If you click on edit, you can edit, for example, here the destination, the shop. As you can see, I have multiple shops. As you can see, you can delete the shops that you don't want to use. Alright, now after you finish, you click save. That's it. So that's exactly, guys, how you can send automated emails to your customers for free. There is no like paid premium. As you can see, it's very free. It's free, as you can see, and it works better than other apps. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.